Thank you to Schneider Electric and the David M. State Farm Agency for being able to send me to FACT, the Filipino Americans Coming Together Conference. This conference was extremely beneficial to me because it was essentially like a simulated business trip, and I will be able to use this FACT conference as a blueprint on how to approach future corporate business trips. I also think it's extremely beneficial that I was able to learn how to interact with fellow teammates and coworkers, especially because we were all coming from a virtual or remote working environment. During this conference, I was really able to explore my strengths in leading and managing a team and making sure I was being productive for the team and just overall being very useful throughout the entire trip, even with small and menial tasks. Thank you again, and I am so grateful for this wonderful opportunity.
Thank you so much, Schneider Electric and David M. State Farm Agency, for allowing me as an intern and my team to come to FACT and meet so many people with different experiences and cultures than I do, and as well as listening to these wonderful speakers, such as Shane, talk about their experiences and their expertise and how I can apply that to my future career and use that in the professional world. So thank you so much, and we hope you continue to give.
Thank you so much to Schneider Electric and David M. State Farm Agency. My experience at FACT was really influential for my future career, and it is because of our donors that we were able to go. I was able to learn about public speaking skills, the importance of networking, and all of this will be very helpful for knowledge in my future career. Going to my first college conference was a great experience, and I'm very grateful that I got to do it. It was really great to work as a team and understand everything that goes into planning a simulated business trip, and I think it'll really be helpful for the next time I do something like this. I'll already have some experience. Thank you so much to our donors, and please keep giving so we can keep learning and growing.
Thank you to Schneider Electric and the David M. State Farm Agency for helping sponsor us interns at Agency Achievement go to our simulated business trip at FACT, or Filipino Americans Coming Together. It's been a really life-changing experience where I got to learn skills in business management and development. One particular skill that I would love to highlight that I learned over this trip was the ability to take on initiative and assert kind of like responsibility within the group. I think that that's going to be a strong skill in moving forward into the future, and I just really want to thank y'all again for helping me and our interns as well in our professional development. On behalf of ASA, I would love to thank y'all once again for helping us interns go to FACT, and we would love for y'all's continued support in the future. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Schneider Electric and the David M. State Farm Agency, for sending us Asian Student Achievement interns to FACT, or the Filipino Americans Coming Together Conference. Honestly, it was such an amazing and memorable experience that I won't be forgetting. And I'm really glad I got the opportunity to meet my fellow interns and directors in person and work with them in this setting. I also very much enjoyed the opportunity to see the behind the scenes of how such a large event such as FACT is put on, being able to coordinate with the various FACT leads and communicate with my interns and directors and work cohesively together as a team was also such a rewarding experience. So thank you for this opportunity, and we hope you'll continue your support in the future. Thank you.